Hi there, I'm Sean. If you know me and my channel, then you know that I love scanners that can handle complex workflows while saving you time and space. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Ricoh fi-800R Ultra Compact Desktop Scanner. This scanner is marketed as an ultra compact, high-performance scanner. We'll look at what you get in the box, what makes it unique, where it shines, and where it falls short, especially for offices, reception counters, and onboarding stations. At the end, I'll tell you how you can download my simple guide, which contains an easy-to-use feature checklist and answers to frequently asked questions. Before I start, please note that this video is sponsored content brought to you by Ricoh. But as always, all of the opinions expressed are my own. As always, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you end up buying a Ricoh fi-800R, please support my channel by using my Amazon affiliate link so that Amazon will send me a commission at no cost to you. Despite being only 11.7 by 4.1 by 3.3 inches and weighing just 4.4 pounds, it punches way above its size. You can use its two different scan modes to scan documents, cards, booklets, IDs, envelopes, and more. Right out of the box, you'll find the scanner itself, a USB cable for connecting it to your computer, a power adapter and AC cable, and the necessary setup software and drivers. There's no unnecessary clutter here. It's a simple setup so that you can start scanning right away and install the free software from the included disk or by downloading it from Ricoh's website. To get up and running as quickly as possible, I recommend using PaperStream ClickScan. For more details, check out my video in which I show you how to download, install, and set it up. Going back to the hardware, the thing I love the most about the Ricoh fi-800R is its dual-path scanning design. It's got two completely different ways to feed documents, and this makes it stand out from other scanners. You've got the front return scan, which is perfect for thicker items like passports or ID cards, and you've also got the U-turn scan, which handles standard paper in a way that saves space by returning the scanned pages to the same tray. It's genius, it's space-saving, and it makes the fi-800R feel like two scanners in one. Starting with the return scan, you can use this for thick documents like cards and passports. It feeds and ejects items from the same front slot and requires minimal clearance on the other side. It's one of my favorite features of the fi-800R because it basically means that if your items fit here, you can scan it and it only takes about 3.5 seconds. The minimum size is about 2 by 2 inches. The maximum size is the standard 8.5 by 11 inches, and the maximum thickness is up to about 5 millimeters. This can be used to scan all of your routine items and can even be used for unique jobs, like sealed envelopes to track delivered mail or timestamp deliveries, greeting cards or thank you notes for HR records or customer service archives, security, access, or membership cards, no matter if they're paper or plastic, folded documents, including pamphlets, and small forms and slips relating to waivers, deposits, and other acknowledgements. Looking now at the U-turn scan, this is the best option for scanning standard documents, which are fed back to the input tray and stacked after they're scanned. You can input a maximum of 20 sheets of standard A4 or letter-sized paper, and the fi-800R can perform a single or double-sided scan in under a minute. This feature saves space and provides for a clean scanning experience. No matter which scanning mode you're using, the fi-800R has 3 features that really contribute to the day-to-day usefulness of this scanner. Number 1 is automatic skew correction. Even if you insert a document slightly off-center, the scanner automatically straightens it for you so your scans come out clean, aligned, and professional without needing to rescan pages or adjust them manually. Number 2 is MRZ data extraction. MRZ means machine readable zone. If you're scanning passports or ID cards, the fi-800R can pull information directly from machine readable zones, like names, numbers, and nationality, and turn it into useful metadata. This is an advanced function, but for people who need it, it's absolutely invaluable. And finally, number 3 is quiet operation. The fi-800R runs with a low noise profile, which makes it ideal for front desks, waiting areas, or any workspace where you don't want loud equipment disrupting the environment. No matter who you are or where you're using this scanner, you'll appreciate how quiet it is. In terms of software, the fi-800R comes with an incredible suite of free software, including PaperStream ClickScan, which is great for quick, one-touch scanning, PaperStream Capture, which you can use to make customizable advanced workflows and perform batch processing, Abby FineReader for performing OCR or optical character recognition and converting printed text into editable digital text so that instead of just having an image of a document, you can copy and search the words. And PaperStream IP, drivers to support the extraction of OCR and MRZ data. So now that I've discussed the various benefits and features of the FI-800R, you may be wondering what some of its downsides are. In conducting my review, I've encountered 4 issues. The first downside is that this scanner connects by wired Ethernet or USB only. So if you're looking for Wi-Fi or wireless scanning, you won't find it with the FI-800R. The second downside is that the 20-page feeder can be a bit small, especially when compared with other scanners. So if you need a larger feeder, you may want to look at a scanner like the Ricoh fi-8170, which holds up to 100 sheets, 5 times more than the FI-800R. The third downside is that you won't find a touchscreen or complex control panel here. However, to some degree, this is also a bit of a pro, because by running everything from the software, it keeps the hardware clean and minimal. The final downside is that there's no battery or portability features. So although it features a compact design, it's not specifically built to be a portable travel scanner. If that's what you're looking for, I'd recommend that you check out the ScanSnap iX100. So given everything I've discussed in this video, who is the FI-800R best suited for, and what's my final conclusion? If you're working in front office environments, customer onboarding, or document-heavy admin roles, this scanner is ideal. It handles IDs, receipts, passports, and paper forms with speed and accuracy, all in a small footprint. For occasional home use, it's likely more than what most people would need, and something from the ScanSnap series would likely be better suited. But for business use, it absolutely shines and is a one-of-a-kind scanner. Between its fast and accurate U-turn scanner, and its versatile and convenient front return scanner, the Ricoh FI-800R is like having 2 powerful scanners in one. Okay, so before I wrap up, if you liked this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to share, I'd love to hear about your scanning experience. Write a comment below and let me know what documents you scanned the most, why you're interested in the FI-800R, and what you think of the dual U-turn and front return scan features. If you end up purchasing a Ricoh FI-800R, please use my Amazon link below so that I'll get a small commission from Amazon, which will help support me and my channel. For advice on how to scan and organize all of your documents, please see my video on how to scan and organize everything. If you'd like to download my simple guide, which contains an easy-to-use feature checklist and answers to frequently asked questions, please visit my website at www.seandillman.com. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.